WEMAX projectors are known among home theater enthusiasts for their convenient, easy-to-use design. In this WEMAX Vogue Pro review, we'll dive into a model that can function as an all-in-one entertainment hub, with a compact housing and intuitive setup that let you use it in the house or while you're traveling. Design and installation. The cube shape and metal housing of the WEMAX Vogue Pro are perfect for travelers, compact enough to fit in your gear and durable enough it won't take damage along the way. The lens is well protected, as well, and it uses an LED light source that's made to last the entire life of the projector. The Vogue Pro is also a very easy projector to set up. It has a relatively short throw distance, producing a 100 image with 7 to 8 feet between the lens and screen. The automatic 4-point keystone correction makes it a breeze to square the image, with intelligent screen alignment and automatic focus thanks to its built-in sensor. All of this gives it a fast and easy installation in just about any space. Its only limitation in this regard is that its brightness is relatively low, at 1600 lumens. That's enough for a dark space but will be prone to picture washout even in moderate light conditions. Image quality. The WEMAX Vogue Pro has a native resolution of 1080p. It can accept content up to 8K resolutions, but these will be downscaled to Full HD, so you'll lose some detail compared to an Ultra HD display. The contrast ratio is also on the low side compared to other home theater projectors, further limiting the sharpness of the image. On the plus side, the color performance of the WEMAX Vogue Pro is strong. It produces a color gamut beyond the Rec.709 spectrum that's the current broadcast standard. This means realistic and vibrant images for all types of content. Built-in speakers. The two 10-watt speakers integrated into the Vogue Pro have a sound quality and output equal to most standalone Bluetooth speakers, far superior to the sound you'll get with most projector or TV speakers. They also support both Dolby and DTS decoding, maintaining the integrity of the audio signal. Now the built-in speakers won't give you immersive surround sound, so you'll still need to use an external sound system if you want that kind of experience. Luckily, it's very easy to connect external speakers if you want to via either a mini jack or Bluetooth connection. Connectivity and streaming. For wired inputs, the Vogue Pro offers dual HDMI as well as an RCA connection. It also has full wireless connectivity, including 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections and Bluetooth. The smart operating system has access to thousands of apps, with 32 GB of storage, so you'll have plenty of space to download your favorites. The only major streaming platform that's not natively available is Netflix, which you'll need a streaming stick or other connected device to watch on the Vogue Pro.